And we're live. Yes, okay, we're live. We are live. Let's go. Let's start. Just to review a few things. I'll have to change this. This is like priority number 1. It's changing this. Funny, they're all ranged this time. I can attack this guy. Or this guy. Interesting. But yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to make this whole... I want to have some layers on this so that I can visually tell like where I can go, who I can attack, from where, stuff like that. Yeah. So we're gonna need a few layers on this. And we're gonna need a little bit more visual clarity, but you know, I think that's a given at any point. Yeah. I'm actually gonna lose. He's gonna attack twice. What? I really need to come up with a better turn order for this. Because like this turn order is way too chaotic. I need to set up good skills. He's gonna go again, and I think he's gonna kill me. Yeah, he's gonna kill me. Okay, good. That's okay. Right, so let's start by making this whole combat view a little bit better to digest. I have a few ideas as how to do that. And hopefully... Oh, I got a few melees this time. Yeah, okay. And they have a few melees this time. Okay, good. But yeah, there are some things that I need to work on to make this a little bit more readable. I think I'm actually gonna go to a smaller map this time so I can test it out, but yeah, I'll stick to this for now, and I'll change it later if need be. It's fine. That's okay. That's fine. Yeah, I'll just pick this up, move these guys around, because I need to have some visual clarity on this. Otherwise, players are going to be like super confused. And we kind of don't want that, because I want it to be simple. Okay, good. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, I think we nailed the whole movement and attacking thing. Now we just need it to be, you know, a bit more readable. And we're gonna work on that, I think. Because like, yeah, like you can't tell where you can click to go or to attack or to anything. So yeah, that's what we want to do. We want to make that as clear as possible. Also the pathing, I want to make this with arrows so it's a little bit more clear where we're going and who we're attacking, all of that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna work on that. We need to set up we need to go back to the tile set and change a few things for that to work. Also, there is another thing that I'd like to do, but that is probably going to be, I don't know if it's going to be for today. I don't know. Because, like, I'd like to be able to move and then attack someone if I feel like it, or just move somewhere else. Like, move not canceling the turn, basically. So right now, if I move somewhere, even if I have movement points left, it cancels the whole turn, but it shouldn't do that. Like, I need to find a way to do that to make it so it doesn't cancel the turn outright if I don't use all of my movement points. So if I still have movement points, it just continues going. But that's okay. Okay, let's start with the basics then. We need to change our tile set a lot because we're going to use a lot of stuff. So today is going to be that rare case where I'm actually going to be doing pixel art for a change. Let's do that. Where is... Let me see. No, it's not here. I'll have to open it. Where is it actually? Oh, I'll just open it up from here. It's fine. Yeah, I'll just open it up from here. Should be fine. Yeah, here we go. There you go. UI is gonna be super tiny. I'm sorry about that. But I don't think there's avoiding it. So we're gonna need a lot of things now to put into the game. So let's work on that. I'm actually gonna repurpose some of these because I just want this to be quick and dirty. I don't want this to be like super in-depth or anything. So I'm just gonna pick this up, move down here, and we're gonna make some changes to this so we can move it up. So we're going to need some variations on this. We're gonna need 4 variations for start. Yes, hi Nines, welcome, welcome. Today is all about the quick and dirty. Yes. So we're going to need the starting point of these arrows. And then, yeah, we're going to need like some sort of shading. This might do the trick actually. Let's copy this over so I don't forget about it. Yeah, we're gonna make starting points for that. I actually don't need these. I can just copy over from the first one I make. Should be fine? Question mark? Yeah, should be fine. Okay, let's make a small circle in the middle of this. So this is like 4 wide. Let's make it a 6 wide. 6 wide might be too small. Let's make it 8 wide. Yeah, 8 wide. Let's center this. And let's copy this over and make it like this. Rest of it should be blue. Okay, and now we need 2 pixels of layering. Actually, let me check what ASPRite does if I just select this. What is it gonna tell me if I expand? Let's expand it by 2 pixels with a circle brush. That'll do. I guess. I'll actually have to see if the selection is the same. But yeah, so this is going to be our starting point. And we'll rotate this based on the direction we're going. But I just want to check one final thing before that. Is it the same as this? It's not. Interesting. I wonder which one looks best. Let's find out. I like this one a bit better, actually. Because it's not... Yeah. I think I'm going to keep this one. I'll just edit this one. Oops. Yeah, I like this one better. It's a little rounder. So that's a bit better. So we're going to keep it like that. And then we just copy over this little part over here. And we do it like this. Yeah. There you go. So this is our starting point. But we need 4 of these for each direction. Let's make it like this. And we just rotate these. And there we are. Let me see if this goes well with the other ones. Yeah, should be fine, right? Like, it looks okay. Let me check 100%. Yeah, this looks good. It's okay, I think. This looks okay. So let's move this on over. I mean, I usually put my own stuff, the stuff that I derive from, because this is a tile set that's already pre-made. I didn't do any of like this part over here. So I usually put my own, the stuff that I make over on this side. So yeah, we're gonna keep with that tradition, I suppose. Just so we can differentiate. Now, the other thing we need yes. Okay, so we're going to make, like, I kind of want this to be alpha. I don't want this to be like super imposed on the terrain because that might screw up the readability of everything. Or I may make it like this, but that seems a little bad in terms of readability. Let's just make... I mean, this is cool, but I don't know. I guess I'll just go with, you know, normal colors, and that should be, and then I overlay them on top of the thing and it should be fine. Which colors am I gonna pick? I believe I'm gonna pick, I mean, I should pick this one, but then like these are supposed to go on top of the colors, so I need to be careful with what I choose. Let me just make a little test here. So let's say I pick this color, like slightly alpha. Don't forget, like this is not going to be like full on transparent, like full on opaque. It needs to be slightly transparent, because otherwise, let's see. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, let's check against a full white background. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, I think it's readable enough. All right, so I guess that color can stay. Now we just need an attack color, and I believe this should do the trick. This one here in the middle, but at half opacity. So we're just gonna make this. Yeah, I think these are good. These are fine. So this is just a test. This can get out of here. So we're just gonna take this one and this one. Yeah, we're good. We can delete this. Yeah. So these are gonna be the overlays we're gonna put on top of like the map to signal like where we can move and where we can attack from. So that's good. Now, there's just one last thing I want to do. So we need to mark the sections where we can attack a person. So like when we click a person, we need an indicator of where we can attack and where we're going to attack right now. So I believe these two are okay for that. So I don't think I'm even going to change them. I think they're fine as is. So I don't think we need to change anything. So we're just going to keep them as is. Yeah, okay. So this should be enough to do everything I want to do today. Yeah, this should be enough. Cannibalizing resources for today. So now we need to program this. I actually should put... Now that I think about it, like... I should... put these all together, otherwise it's gonna be a mess, but it's not that bad. And besides, like, this tile set I don't think is gonna live for too long. Let's hope, because like I need to make a new tile set, but that's gonna take like forever, and I want to make the game first. Like for now, like pre-made tiles is good enough. It's certainly fine. Okay, but I think that's everything we need. Let me just check here, because I made a small list over here. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're fine. Okay, so we're gonna need to change our tile map a little. So let's do that. Now that we have... I did save, didn't I? I didn't save. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to need to change our tile map. Where is the tile map? Oh, here it is. Yeah, I already had it open. Okay, so we're gonna need to change the layering on this a bit, because the idea is that we're gonna introduce a few layers to help out with pathfinding, or like helping people make sense of pathfinding, players make sense of pathfinding. So we're going to need, so base, decoration, and then we're going to need, yeah, so we're going to need a new element here, but it's going to be on top of this one. That's fine. This is going to be like movement. And attack possibilities. I am thinking about, can I just put these all together? I might just put these all together now that I think about it. I will not have to define layers though. But I guess, yeah, we just need more layers on this. Yeah, we'll get to that. But yeah, let's put these all together. I don't think I need to make this a little any more complex than it has to be. Yeah, movement possibilities. Oops. Attack possibilities. Yeah, we don't need this. We can just put this all together here. But let's put them in a logical order. So pathing goes on top of that. And now we need a last thing, which is like something like attack options. And finally, This is gonna look like real silly because it's a lot. Attack. What are we gonna call this one? Attack set? Or attack current? Something like that? Attack selected. Yes, that's a better name. Okay, attack selected. There we go. Okay, so now we need to change all of this. So let's go over here. Okay. We need to change this on the tile set itself. So let's paint terrains. There we go. Terrain set 2. I wish we could name these things instead of terrain set 2, but that's okay. So movement possibilities. Where is that? Ah, here we go. Okay, it's this guy. So I don't want movement possibilities to be that anymore. I want it to be this. Am I painting? I guess I am. Ah, I have to select these. Okay, that's fine. Okay, movement possibilities is gonna be this. Attack possibilities is gonna be this. Then pathing is gonna be this one. This one is gonna be the big one. So let's set this all up, and we need to set it up here as well. Where is it? Here it is. Hi, Funbjörg. Yes. Hello. Welcome back. How are you doing? My #1 asked question in the internet. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. Now that I think about it. How is it going to differentiate between the start and the end of the path? Uh-oh. Yeah, I hadn't thought about that. 'Cause like, ooh. Yeah, this might be a problem. How are things going? Are you still working on that project? That's how it usually goes, unfortunately. There are rare cases where it's not that, but yeah. I guess I'd need to set these by hand. Oh god. Okay. For simplicity's sake, you need to optimize your compile times? What, are you taking too long during compile? Yeah, that is an issue. Wow, damn. 27 seconds to compile a project. Oof. Yeah, that's when you know it's a good time to get a coffee. But yeah, that is a thing. Yeah, I can't even imagine like trying, oh, let me just try something so I can test it out, and then like 30 seconds of, of compile time, so I could just test something really small. When compile takes longer than the changes you're making. Yeah, I feel you there. So options are gonna be these. And the selected option is gonna be that one. Makes sense, I guess. So yeah, we're keeping it like that. Yeah, we're keeping it like this for now. So I guess this saves automatically. I'll just save just in case. We need to set these up now. I mean, yeah, from 2 seconds to 27, you know, it's a long way. It's a long path. It is true. It is quite the jump. Okay, I think we're done with this. Now, we need... Let's make a test scene. I do actually think I have it. No, I don't. Okay. But we can just test it out in a tile map over here somewhere. Or I can just create a tile map to test it out. Okay. Let's just duplicate this. Yeah. That's how we do it. We just duplicate stuff and work on that. So let's paint. Let's make it all grass, because that's usually what it is. So all of this is gonna be grass. And we're gonna just make a small test over here. I'm not gonna turn that off, because then I'm gonna forget and ugh. Yeah, 3.5 minutes for a project compile is, yeah, time to get a beverage. Maybe you just introduced something that put on more overhead during the compile. But 700 FPS is pretty impressive. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty nice. I mean, sure, it compiles, like, it takes forever to compile, but, you know, maybe you could just, I don't know how you've got that set up, but, yeah, I suppose so. The difference between one and the other, yeah. Yeah, I get it. Your laptop was a little sluggish, because, like, 10,000 FPS is pretty impressive. Do you have any optimization flags set? Because I feel like if you're testing, you can turn those off and then you can put those on when you want to make some real tests. At least that's what I used to do when I still programmed in C++. I don't know if you've got that set up or anything. Depends a lot on how you got that set up. Okay, layers. So we've got this. This is the base layer. Let's make another layer. This is the deco layer, right? So this is where we put, like, the trees, for example. So trees, it's cute, cool. Now, on top of this, we need a new extra layer, which is where we're gonna put, like, imagine if we have a character here. Let's put a character here. I don't think I have a character here to put, but that's okay. Like, imagine there's a character here in the center. These are my movement options, right? So I can move all of these squares. These are my movement options. The character is over here. And then, imagining it's a melee character, I can attack all of these positions. Oh, I'm still doing this in the same layer. No. Stop it. There we go. Yeah, we need to be in layer 2 for that. Amazing. Let's make this a little small just so we can test. So like, let's make it like 3 by 3. It's fine. So these are my movement options. And then my attack options are these. Imagining we're ranged, these are the movement the attack options. So we can move and attack twice our thing. And then on top of that, we need an extra layer for the pathing. So we set up pathing. We go from here to here. Oops, I'm still in the same layer. God damn it. Here to here. The biggest problem is I want the starting one to not be the arrow. And it's always gonna be the arrow. Ugh, that's just gonna suck. Oh, it takes around the same time? I think the primary issue lies in the lack of precompiled header. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh man, I don't I don't remember those days fondly. Those C++ header compilation days. These header files may include other massive header files. Oh damn. Yeah, I can see why. Yeah, I can see why the compile times take so long then. If your header files include windows.h, yeah. Ah. Yeah, usually when it goes into power saving mode, it gets real sluggish, yes. It's typically 3 times slower, not 10 times slower. Yeah, yeah. Usually when it goes into power saving mode, it gets really it underclocks pretty hard. I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but yeah, it just it goes really low maintenance, low power mode, yeah. Ah, I see. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, integrated yeah, because my laptop does that too. Yeah, old integrated graphics usually are not that yeah, when compared to a powerful graphics card, yeah. Ah, I see. Have you tried compiling on that one yet? See the difference? This is what we want to do. Now we just need to make this on code. Faster than your laptop, than your desktop, you mean? Ah, I see. Yeah, but I mean, depending on the tech. Ah, yeah. That might just be the ticket to getting good compile times, getting all that tech. Yeah, we're gonna have to change this. We're gonna set it, but then we need. Let me just think here for a second. How am I going to access? Like, I'd need... How can I tell which tile this is? Oh, I can give it the coordinates, I suppose. I mean, they'll change later, but... I'd need to change this based on... yeah, it might be doable. It might be doable, yeah. Yeah, this might do the trick. I'll test it in a bit. Yeah, don't sweat it. Just change one at a time. Otherwise, you'll get swamped pretty fast. All right, let's program this because we need this. Like, yeah, eventually I want to replace these. I don't know if I can just pick up on like the atlas coordinates of a cell. We'll need to check that if I can access them through code. It makes sense that I should be able to do that, right? Shouldn't be that hard. And yeah, we'll set these up. So let's do this. Yeah, let's program this. We're going to need, I don't know if I actually set, I think I set the tile map layers. So we'll need like 4 layers, 5 layers, let me check. So this is base, decorations, movement, and pathing, etc. Okay, so we need 4 layers. Right, okay, 4 layers. So we need to take care of that. Let's go over here. Right, yeah. How do I tell it which layers? How many layers this thing has? Create tile map. Ah, here we go. Yeah. So it usually has a layer. Yeah, okay. So we've got our base layer comes with this, I suppose. This is like the base layer. It comes directly when you create a tile map. We have a tile map. We have a layer for decorations. That's the second one. Path indicators is going to be the last one. But we need one for movement plus range plus attack. I don't know, attack ranges. Yeah, sure, let's call it that. So, cool. Path indicators are gonna be these. It's the last one we made. It's for this kind of stuff. So like arrows and all that sort of stuff. Hi, Angry Moose! So much S in your website. Yes! I didn't think about that at the beginning. I just thought it was a cool name. Like, and yeah, I made too much S's in my website domain. But, you know. Yes, please feel free to do that, Fanbjörg. Keep us posted on your C++ UI shenanigans. Good luck and Godspeed. But yeah, Angry Moose, keeping up with the convo. Yeah, I have way too many S's, but it's way too late to change now. And I like the name. It's just, I really like that name. But I do know that there's a lot of S's in there. I probably should tone that down somewhat. I have considered changing the name, but I just like it way too much. I don't know what to do. That is pretty impressive. You know, rendering 1 million dynamic characters in 16 milliseconds, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Hi, Sockhouse! How was your stream? The main bottleneck is data transfer. Yeah. That's usually the bottleneck. Yeah. So, makes sense. Absolutely. Oh, it was good. You finally got some new stuff? Cool. Awesome. What are you working on right now? You did finish the slot machines, not the slot machines, the vending machines yesterday, right? Today, we're working on making combat actually readable. So like we have the characters and they can move places when we click, but I actually want to show the player like their movement ranges, their attack ranges, their path. So we're setting up a small example here. So like you can see, like we have the the base layer, the decoration layer, and then I'm gonna introduce 2 new things, which is like the movement and attack ranges with these colors. And then on top of that, arrows indicating where you're going and where you're attacking from. So that's what we're doing today. Trying to get this a little more readable so people don't get confused once they get into combat. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. The least amount of data you have, the faster it should be. Yes. Bunch of sound effects for the healing station. Nice. Oh yeah, I mean, that's a given. Power saving usually breaks up a computer's processing really bad. So yeah, optimizations should be imperative if you want to keep that up everywhere. Cool, awesome. Glad you're liking it, Sockhouse. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that today. So there is one thing that I want to make, which I don't know how I'm going to do yet, but it shouldn't be too hard, which is right now the so this is automatic tiling, what I'm doing here. So if I paint, where is it? If I paint pathing, like it does, like it automatically makes curves and all that. It's like being silly because, you know. But yeah, what I'm trying to work on is like, it usually does this, like arrows at the beginning and the end, because like they're both the same, end, so to speak. But I want to introduce, after the fact, I want to put one of these there. It's like this. So it looks like this is the starting point, this is where you're going. That's the plan. Is after I'm done with the automatic placement, I just go there and put it all pretty. Just to change the cursor? Oh man, but yeah. I mean, Visual Studio can be a little bit of a memory hog sometimes, but yeah, 30 seconds to remove error highlighting is... yikes. I see. No, yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Like, using an old computer for that sort of stuff, because, like, you know, when you go places and stuff like that, it's hard to to think about a new computer getting broken and all that. I wouldn't wish it. Hi, Captain Fubar. Not exactly. Today it's kind of mixed between UI and gameplay. So we've not finished, but like we made most of the combat workable for now. Like it still needs a lot of tweaks, but for now it's workable. So now we're working on some visual elements to help the player figure out where to go and what to do. Because like right now there's no indication about where the characters can go and their attack ranges. So that's what we're doing today. So we're setting up a method to check their movement range, their attack range, and also their pathing. So when you click something, it generates like a small path that players can see where the character is going. Yeah, I guess it could be sort of UI, yeah. Yeah, usually that happens with laptops. Yeah, batteries get down to a point where it's, you know, they're just not there. I should know, like my laptop used to be like a powerhouse. It was like it could like run games, like powerful games at the time, of course, for like 2 hours. Nowadays I can barely watch a video on it without it gasping for air, like I need power, please. Yeah, battery mode definitely doesn't help. Yeah, I haven't touched that computer for a long time because I usually work on the desktop. This is the desktop. So I only use it for like watching videos or when I really don't have access to this when I'm out, but that doesn't happen all that often. I'm usually at the desktop, so I've never even changed anything. A new OS might be a good idea at some point, yeah. Just make it like a media station or something. But for now, it works, so eh. We'll just keep it like that for a while longer. Yeah. That one didn't have it, but my previous laptop, I actually had a Linux distro on it after a certain point because it was a nightmare. Like it was so slow. the new OS and programs on it, it was just getting really slow. Yeah, but that one is still okay. It's still like it's not perfect, but it's fine. The only problem is like I open something like really small, like I open a small video on like YouTube or even like an MP4 on the computer from the hard drive, and the fans start going like there's no tomorrow. Like it looks like it's trying to start. It wants to fly or something. But yeah, you know, eventually I'll change something about it. It's fine. For now, it's fine. Yeah, and whenever I start playing a video, I must go. My people need me. And it just flies off. No, it doesn't do that, but it almost looks like it wants to do that. Okay, so we've added the 4 layers that we need. So now we need a way, because like pathing is no longer this. Pathing is no longer 2. Pathing is actually redraw pathing layer. Yeah. So we need like, let me just check something. Layer for pathing is now 3. The terrain set is still 2, but the terrain for pathing is now 0, 1, 2. So this is 2 now. Okay. And we need to do that on the other ones. So Seth pathing, this should be 3. So pathing layer is all 3. I should change this somewhat, but 2, 2, pathing 3 and 2 here. I'm actually yeah, I might just do that actually, now that I think about it. Passing layer 3. Oh, okay, pathing layer, and we're just gonna put it all over the place. And that way it's easier to, like, if it ever changes, which it probably will, because yeah, it probably will at some point. And now yeah, let's just make 3 of them. So pathing layer, pathing tile, I think that's the name of it. I'll just check here real quick. Terrain set and terrain, right. So terrain set, and this is 2. And pathing terrain is also 2. Let's change this a bit further down here. So 2. I think it's terrain set first, correct? Yes. So terrain set and terrain here. I don't think I need to change that anywhere else. I don't think. Yeah, they're all at 4 references. Cool. Cool. Okay, so we're good on that front. Let's see what happens now. Because, like, hopefully the pathing hasn't broken. It's just on a new layer. So it shouldn't have broken anything. But let's figure it out. Oh, I have to turn that off. Otherwise, it's going to show up beneath the other window. Okay. Turn it off. Okay, so that part is working. I'm not resetting it. I need to reset this. Wait, it's not resetting. Why not? Oh, hold on. I think I know why. I think I'm resetting the wrong one. I have a reset pathing layer or something. Redraw. Clear pathing layer. Here it is. Yeah. I need to change this. And clear pathing position is also this. Okay. Good. Yeah, so that should be fixed now. Okay, good. So when I click something, when I click to go somewhere, okay, so this is working. Good. That's a good start. Yeah. Now, next thing we need to do, I need to change, I mean, the characters occupy most of the space, but when we start moving, we see that thing over there, and it's just gonna creep me out, and I don't want that. I definitely want to change that first one. So we're going to do that. But in order to do that, we will need... Right. Sure thing! Thank you so much for sticking around. And, you know, go get the client work done. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, because this is the thing I was worried about. I'll need... yeah, this needs to change, but we know that, and we've got the tiles ready for it. We just need to get them working. Let's go here and attack from here. Okay, good. No zombies today. Okay, so this is good. This is looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I just need to change that one. Oh, it's me again? Oh, I actually rolled on that. Yeah, I'll need to change that. That's fine. Okay. So at least that part is working, but let's continue on with other stuff. So there's the pathing layer. Oh, actually, I'm going to check just one little thing because I forgot to check that. Because this should also be working in here. And it is. Okay, cool. I need to change that. I really need to change that. But yeah, now it's working over here, which is also pretty cool. Okay, cool. That's all I wanted to check. Cool. So now there is... okay, we're gonna need a lot of these if we want to. That's okay. Let's just check one thing that I want to do. Because there's a lot I need to work on here. Let's go by steps. So let's mark. Because right now, when we click, we want the game to use these. So like these are attacking positions. And this is the position that we're using to attack from. Attack selected and attack option. Yes, okay, good. I actually, can I just set, I think I can just go to a tile map and set a cell on it. Let me just check something. Because, yeah. Can I just set cell to a thing? Layer, coordinates, source ID. What is the source ID? So let's keep this. Layer chords. Oops. What is the source ID? The source identifier identifies a tile set source identifier. Tile set source identifier. I'm assuming it's this then. Where is it? I guess this is it? Ah, I see. Okay. Got it, got it. So this should always be 0 in this case. Thank you for that. Yeah, okay, so source is always 0. For now, at least. Atlas, okay, Atlas coordinates. So this is what we want. So this should be... Yeah, I did look a bit on it, but I never actually went through with using it, but I did look at it, yeah. So Atlas coordinates, this would be 13, 5. Okay. Cool. So, okay, so this is what we want. We want to set a certain cell to a certain tile coordinate. I wonder if this is more performant than actually setting with Terrain Connect. It probably is. Because I'm using Terrain Set Connect because eventually I'd want to use Terrain for this, but like these are the sort of things that don't use Terrain for that. So I probably will just use the set cell thing. This I need to also set. Yeah. Okay. Let's Atlas chords. Let's just put something here. 1 alternative tile. Says the tile the source identifier, source ID identifies. Okay, got it. If the source and the scene for okay, got it. Hi Gaming Forever! Hello. If you want to set a specific tile terrain, is not needed. Yeah, exactly. So it goes directly to the source. So I'm probably gonna do that. Welcome. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. Okay, we need to set a few things up over on combat before I do that. I'm doing good. Still working on combat and stuff. Not directly on combat itself, but we're working on the UI for the combat to let players know where they can move and who they can attack and all that stuff. Yeah, we're working on something like this. So this is what we're doing today. Like, check where you can move, and attack ranges, all that sort of stuff. Oh, has it started? Is it the 12th already? Oh god. How is it going? Have you decided what you're going to do? Yeah. Yeah, this clock is useless. This clock is absolute useless. Always tells it's 6:30. Okay, we're gonna set that up. So instead of that, we need a few new things. So let's work on those. It's spreading. Yeah, spreading can mean a lot of things, so that's actually not that bad. It could mean like, I don't know, an illness. It could be like pollen in a field to plant flowers. It could be butter, like Captain Fubar just said. Yeah, there's so much stuff you can do with that. You can make like a game about spreading an idea. I don't know. There's so much. I can think of a lot of ways to work on that. Actually, butter wouldn't be my first thought. All those other ones would be before butter. Well, get working on that idea then. Get that thing working. Get it done. I did hear that he's like offering the money for Steam Early Access, isn't he? Like as a winning prize? That's pretty cool. I haven't kept up with Pirate Software streams since I started streaming because like I usually watch a little bit, but I haven't had the time to actually watch his streams all that much right now because we're always overlapping. That's the biggest problem. I'm always overlapping with everyone. That is cool. Like how dare these people stream at the same time as me. Yeah, do it. Just do it. It's so great. I love Shia LaBeouf for that. It's great. Do it. Yeah, that is pretty cool of him to pay for Steam Early Access. That's awesome. The Steam fee, not Early Access. I mean, it could be Early Access, but it's the Steam fee to put a game on there. Yeah, it's only if you win. Yeah, I did know about that one. Yeah. I didn't know it had started yet. I thought it was gonna be like tomorrow or something, but yeah, today is the 12th. Damn, I'm so lost. Time is meaningless to me. I have it down bad. Don't know about your chances to win? Well, just don't think about winning. I think that's the best way to go about it. Make the game, make it as best as you can, and you know, it might turn good, it might turn bad, but you'll learn something, and winning is nice, but it's not the end-all be-all. Especially, yeah, Captain Fubar has it right, especially with so many participants. Just make the best that you can make. So long as you're proud of what you did, winning or losing is secondary. I mean, it feels nice, don't get me wrong, but you know, being proud of what you made is more important, especially in those cases. 5 days of Unreal. It's a pretty nice engine, but it's a pretty nice game engine. I don't know how to make the Borat voice. I'm not even gonna try. Great success. I am never doing that again. Oh god, it's so embarrassing. Oh god. Build complete. Got several warnings. My neighbor had no warnings. But I compiled. Needed not. Great success. No, something like that. I don't know. Oh god. What am I doing? No, stop. I need to stop. Otherwise, it's gonna take all over. And we don't want that. I want at most top 1,000. I mean, that is certainly doable. I mean, it depends on what you do. That's the thing. So like, so long as you don't set too many lofty goals for your game, just do the best you can do. And, you know, whatever comes, comes. That's the best way to go about it. Especially in a jam that is so packed with people. Because you know that, there's going to be people in there which are total newbies, which is fine. And then there are people who are going to be really good, and they're going to like really cool stuff. So just make the best that you can make. Don't worry about the rest. The rest comes after. You can't change it either. So like, even if you, like, I believe like, even if you started right now, or even if you had other people on the jam, you wouldn't make a better game just because of the fact that there are better people on it. You'll just make the best that you can make, whatever the case. So just go with it. With only slightly more work, it compiles 3 times faster. There you go. Now you just need, what, 2 times slightly more work, and eventually it'll compile 9 times faster, so it should be okay. Because it was 10 times slower, wasn't it? I know it doesn't work like that, I'm just joking. Hi, Miguel! Hi! Hi! How are you doing? Gosh, we haven't chatted in forever. Yeah, exactly, Fenber. You just, like, make more work. Like, it's like, it's linear. Make more work, more output comes out. I don't see the problem. Like, computers are infinite machines. They can do whatever you want. I mean, nah. Reject game jams, embrace peanut butter and jams. I mean, yeah. I did try peanut butter and jam once, and I was instantly sold on it. At first, it seemed like a really icky thing, but, you know, I was kind of like, you know, this is actually kind of nice. Yeah, Miguel, it has been a long, long time. I am so sorry about that. I am a horrible, horrible person that, you know, I'm terrible at communication. So I'm really sorry. But yeah, it's been a long while. How are you doing? How's life treating you? Yeah, use 2 keyboards, double the speed of coding. You know, because that's how it works. Hi, Fullbox! Thank you so much for the raid. Hello. How did your stream go? Has Steam gotten back to you yet about the Steam page? For the game? Boxing today. Just get more hands. Yeah. No, I mean, you shouldn't get more hands. You should get one of those, like, there's this, it's part of an animated movie. I think it's Ghost in the Shell, but I'm not gonna don't quote me on that because I don't remember. But it's like this guy whose fingers like split into even more fingers, and he like types like maddeningly fast. He like types all over the place. We need hands like those. Those are programmer hands. Give me those. The Steam page is out? Link it! Link it over here, quickly. Go, do it now. That's awesome. Yes, I believe it is, Captain Fubar. Yo, everyone, go and wishlist Blockshop right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and you can't stop me. I'm gonna stop the stream so I can wishlist this. Oh, damn it, I'm not logged in. Oh, I am. Add to my wish list. Hell yeah. Let's go. It's done. It's done. It's done, and none of you can stop me. And you all should do the same. Go wish list. Full boxes game. Block shop. Do it. Go, go, go. Congrats, full box. Hopefully you'll get some nice wish lists. A nice wish list number on the thing. Ah, nice, nice. I really do need to work on something like that this weekend. Because after this, I don't know exactly where to go. There's so much stuff I want to do for the game, but I have to make like a plan of like, what's the minimum viable thing for the game to launch it on Steam too. Yeah, I need to work on that too. Good job, Captain Fubar. Good job. Full box salutes you. Yeah, having a plan is really good. And I need to, the plan is just not to know what I'm gonna do next, but it's also to like, I want to make something like, some planning on top of it. In the case of like, okay, this takes me X amount of time. Do I have time until my cutoff date to do this and then everything else? Yeah, I definitely to work on like an Excel sheet or something like that with dates and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to do it this weekend. Yeah, because I really need something like that. After I finish this thing, like I have so many paths on where to go. Yeah. There's never enough time. It's true. Damn it. Why you gotta come into my stream and spitting out truths like that? How dare you? But yeah, it's really rough. Because we always want the game to be better and like do all of the things. We gotta do all of the things. But there's never enough time to do all of the things. It's sad. I want all the time in the world. Sleep is for the weak. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I mean, nice parts are making is what living is good for, you know? Without the nice parts, then we'd be here just trudging along. We like the nice parts. The nice parts are good. We should keep them coming. Absolutely. Oh yeah, it would be. Yeah. We need some sort of challenge. I wouldn't say bad parts, but some challenge in our lives would be nice. Cause yeah. And some people do have it really bad. It's dramatic and sad. Increase gravity around you and time will flow slower. A tip physicists don't want you to know. Absolutely. We need an artificial gravity machine. Who needs sleep? I need 48-hour days. Please. Without sleep in the middle. I don't want to sleep. Sleep is for the weak. I want to program and do games. Oh damn, that's bleak. No, but everyone would benefit from the like artificial gravity, right? So no people aging faster than others. That is true. That is true, Miguel. Yeah. If everyone's inside the gravity machine, no one is inside the gravity machine. Sometimes we just come up with solutions, but then the solutions become problems, you know? It's bad. It's real bad. Where? Ah, here we go. So let's do something. Because gotta be in the player choice. Yeah, this is what I want. I want to make this a little easier. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. That is pretty smart. Yeah. People working for a year and then it's like a day to you. Yeah. Raid the fridge. Yes. Raid all of the fridges, even your neighbors. Oh, of course, of course. Like you put your closest people in the gravity field with you, so it's not as bad, and you experience time in the same way. Okay, we need something like attack options. Yeah. And also this. I mean, yeah. That's fine. Okay, let's create this. So we're setting attack options on the tile map. So tile map, no. What is the name of it? Where is it? Ah, world tile map. There's. World tile map. Right, so this is when we set cell. And this is going to be for each attack option, of course. So. Attack options count. There we go. So we're going to set the cell. Layer is going to be... Okay, so this is where we need to... I believe the layer for attack... The attack options. Right. Okay. We'll probably need... Because I'm thinking... I hadn't considered that part. We want to attack someone that is here. So we're going to move here. Yeah. We're going to move here and attack here. But that means we need another cell onto this. Let's paint. Paint. Yeah. So these are the... So the guy is here. So our attack options would be, for example, this is just examples, here and here. And this is the choice that he would make, right? Are diagonal moves allowed? No, at least not in this iteration. Right now it's just four directions. No diagonal moves. That would be a thing. But yeah, so far it's just 4 directions. Did you change your sprites? Not exactly. They're still the same. But I did change the way, like, yesterday, pathing was just this. Like, from one place to another. I just changed it to be this, like, cutesy arrow. So it's a little easier on the eyes to see where you're going. I'm changing the graphics bit by bit. The problem is, like, most of the stuff probably won't translate to the Steam Early Access thing. That is the idea. Yes, kind of like a Final Fantasy Tactics thing. That is the idea, at the very least. But this is a problem. Because, yeah, I think we're going to need to introduce a new layer to this, now that I think about it. Just because, okay. These are like the attack options. But if I want pathing to be done, it'll go over the thing. And I don't want that. We want the pathing to be on this layer. Like this. And the attack options go underneath that, like this. It doesn't look that good, but eventually I'll make some better tiles for this. But yeah, at least that. So at least here we choose where we go and we adapt to that. Yeah. So we're gonna need a new layer for this, I think. Just so it doesn't overlap all these things. Let's see how this looks without editing. It's okay. Oh yeah, it might be a better thing to use. Yeah, I'll have to think about it. Right now I'm using the tile map just because, you know, it's a little easier to set up. But yeah, I might just use control nodes for that sort of stuff. Because I don't know if creating a layer just for a few tiles is like, you know, performant or anything. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Oops. Oh, okay. Attack will be one tile away from where the player ends. Not... Oh, yeah, no, the attack will always be like, not exactly, because a player can end on a tile and attack from that tile to another. So, like, for example, he can stop here, because this is a blue tile. This is not a good example of this, but let me just... Where is it? Ah! Here it is. Okay. So, technically, the person can stop here, and if there are 3 enemies here, not in 3 enemies, but... this is a bad example. Okay. Let me wait a little. Because, like, imagine there's a character here that he wants to attack. He can attack from 4 sides. Or, like, 3 sides, actually. He can do this. Like, this, and stay where he is. And then the attack options, which are these right here. When I click a person to attack, he'll do this, and he'll select one, which is usually the closest one, as the main one, and that's it. So it can be right on top of the thing. But the attack will always be like a tile after where the character is. So the character's here, he's attacking this guy over here, so he'll go from here to here, the attack. You can have scenes as tiles too. Wait, really? Like as individual tiles of a tile map? Or just like 2D sprites on the scene? Ah, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to think about it because like right now it's all visual and I'm controlling everything on the state itself. But yeah, I'll definitely have to look into how to make this UI a little bit better because I want this to be animated and stuff like that. And I don't know if tiles can support that easily. So having a control with animations and stuff like that should be easier to do. I'm just trying to make this like quote unquote quick and dirty. Tweens! Yes. All the tweens. All of the things. Yeah, so we're going to need a different thing. I have to check it out. That's the one thing I haven't looked into from Unity to Godot is a way to animate 2D sprites. Because like there are several ways. Hi Prophets! Welcome, welcome. Yes, the map. I mean, it's not the map is getting a little bigger. This is just a test thing. I'm testing out the new methods to do things. We did a thing for like arrows and stuff, so it's it's a little easier for the player to check what's going on. So this is the ideal thing that we're gonna do today. Thank you. Happy Friday to you too. Hopefully you're doing well today. But yeah, we're trying to do this whole thing. Oh, hold on. I need to get out of tile map editing. So this is what we're trying to do. When you select a person, it shows you the movement range, the attack range, and where you're going with the little arrow thingy. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. But we're working on it. So far, I haven't done a lot because I'm getting easily distracted. But that's okay. I'm talking to chat, so it's fine. You can have actual animation, or you can have something like where the scale and stretch small sprites for animation. Yeah, it could be that. There's also that, yeah. Squash and stretch is pretty nice for that sort of thing. Like no need for animation, you just scale it a bit. I'll have to think about that. But for now, I just want it to be at least readable. Animations are gonna come later, and then I might look into controls for doing this sort of stuff. For now, it's all tile maps, because that's a thing. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm setting up the attack options. Well, technically, now that I think about it, yeah, I did look into Worldbox. Worldbox is pretty cool. I looked into it. Worldbox is so nice. I haven't looked into it for a while, but back when I looked into it, it was really cool. The game is probably a lot more updated now, I think. Yeah, I'll have to look into it because they probably had some updates. Meanwhile, I just haven't kept up with it because, like, you know, there's a lot. There's a lot going on. And now that I think about it, I actually don't need to differentiate between which attack option I'm selecting because the arrow is gonna do that for me. Right, so like I don't even need this. Right? Like I don't need the selected because the arrow is gonna do it for me. Yeah, I did see a video on the game, and yeah, they flip the sprites. They take a little while just so it's the turning animation for them. Okay, I am going to... I'm going to delete that. Can I do that? Yes. Because, like, I don't need the attack selected one. I don't need that. I just need the attack options, because the arrow is going to tell me which one I selected. So we're good. So we're going to set up all the attack options as these. Or even these. I don't know. Oh, I'll think about it. Okay. Setting cell. What does this need? A layer. Okay, so I'll need to define a thing for this. So attack options layer. This is going to be 3, and pathing is going to be 4 now. Okay. Go. Do that. The coordinates. So the coordinates are going to be these. Attack options I dot x. Attack options I y. What else? Source ID is 0, as we've established before. Now atlas coordinates. So yeah, I don't even need to set this up as a terrain. Now that I'm thinking about it. I don't even need this because I'm setting it up directly from the thing. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. 12.5. Let me just... Yeah, we'll just... Vector 2i. 2i. There we go. Okay, can be declared const, that's fine. Attack options. What is it called? Oh god, I'm so forgetful. Atlas coordinates. Yes. So, attack option. Atlas coords. And this is gonna be. What was it? 12.5. There we go. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there. Okay. So this is gonna be this. I don't even think I need to set a terrain for this. The only terrain that I need is the pathing one. So I don't even need stuff for this. I don't think. Because I'm just gonna set it directly. Yeah, I don't need to do this. I can just set it as pathing as before. It's gonna be exactly the same as before. Like, all right, cool. I'm just gonna check if pathing is still correct. Okay, it seems to still be correct. Yeah, it still seems to be correct. So we're good. Cool. Cool. We're cool. This is cool. Okay. We've set that up. We're not getting there yet, but we are. What's going on here? Ah, yes. This was just a test, so we're gonna throw that away. Where was the thing I was making? It's probably here. Here we go. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, so attack options atlas quartz. What else does it need? Alternative tile. We'll just keep that by default because I don't need an alternative tile, I don't think. So that should be it. That should mark everything as an attack option. Yes. Okay. Now, I am calling this, I believe. Where is it? Set attack options. I'm setting it up here. Okay, yes. Actually, when I do this, I should also clear the attack options. And we are going to do that. we go. Attack options layer. There we go. That should be good enough. And now we will... Okay, so that's done. Pathing layer is done. Let's see if this is working. It probably will need some tweaking because I don't know how this is going to look like, but this should be good enough. It's not going to show it. Oh, the pathing isn't working. I gotta check that out. Okay. Attack options? No, attack options are completely botched. What? Oh, I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Yeah, I know what it is. Because I keep forgetting. Yes, I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting that y is negative on Godot. I come from Unity, can you tell? It's been a long years of treating y as positive. Okay, good, we're good. The pathing layer isn't working though. Oh, the debugger is like, what is going on? Layer 4 is out of bounds. Oh, didn't I create that? I should have. I probably didn't. Never mind. Yeah, it's only halfway through January. Like, this is not looking good for me. Okay, so before path indicators, decorations, movement and attack ranges, attack options. There we go. And path indicators over here. Okay, so that should fix that. Forgot about that. Attack this guy here. It's still not working. Why not? It is pathing correctly, it's just not... Weird. Yeah, it's not drawing the path for some reason. Did the pathing get screwed? It doesn't look like it. Wait a minute. Why is this still here? It shouldn't be. Wait a minute. Okay, there's only pathing here. Why? Okay, so now it's updated. I am very confused. Okay, so it's correct. Oh, no, now it's correct. Okay, never mind. It probably needed to update or something. Good. Okay, so we're good. We need to set that up later. We're not going to do that. We just want pathing to work again. Why is it not working? It was working before. Yeah, it's just not working. Why not? Weird. Let's see the remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers here. I did change the ID, didn't it? No, but even if I didn't, it would still draw. Okay, let's... Yeah, it's just not drawing the pathing. Why not? I am calling it, aren't I? Like, I didn't comment it. Pathing layer is 4, correct. Attack options layer is 3, correct. That is weird. Why is it doing that? It's like, yeah, the pathing isn't working for some reason. But it should be, right? Like, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's still here. And if I go to terrains, it's still here. It's still set up. Oh, I know what it is. I keep forgetting that the terrain set is not 2 anymore because I deleted all the other ones. So it's 0 now. It's back to 0. Yeah, go me. I am on a roll today. Oh, oops. No. Wait a minute. Terrain set is 2. Terrain is 0. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, what am I doing? There you go. Okay, it's back. It's back. It's back, everybody. It's fine. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. There you go. Okay, that is correct. Yes. Let's attack this guy. And now we have several options where to attack from, and the pathing... What? What the heck? Well, yeah, I do have to clear that, yes. But why was it... What? Why was it doing that? Why is it marking these? It shouldn't be, but we'll get to that. Yeah, so we can choose where to attack from, and we attack. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I need to fix this. Because, you know, I didn't have an attack pathing before, so... Yeah, this is okay. I can actually go here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I do need to fix this. Or maybe I should... I don't know about that yet. Because, like, the guy is dead. The pathing should go on top of all of the dead characters. So they don't become, like, visual clutter. But, yeah. I'll have to work on that. Hopefully there's a layer I can use. Some layering I can use to, Yeah, this is really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. But we'll get to that. It's fine. Okay, I can go here. I can't go there, but I can go here because there's nothing in there. And attack from that side. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose now. Yeah, but definitely the dead bodies, the dead characters, or the knocked down characters, not exactly dead, but knocked down characters should go lower on the layering priorities so they don't become visual clutter for the combat itself. Yeah, I do need to work on that. But that's okay. So we're making some progress. We just need to make a few changes here to the thing. Where is it? Over on here. When we do this, we clear the pathing layer and the options layer as well. So we need to get this here. And that's that. So every time we click on something, then it won't appear anymore because you're going somewhere else. Okay, good. Got it. Okay, good. Now let's make the movement layer, movement and attack layer. We want to mark the positions that we want to be able to attack from. And we still need to fix that little pathing thing over there. I might just do that right now, actually. Yeah, I might just do that right now. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Because I would really very much like this to be a thing. And I'm actually going to do something that I hadn't considered before. Let's open this up again. Since we haven't done anything with this, we can move this one down. Let's... what was it? There we go. And we do it like this. Oops. No, I made the same mistake again. Ah, okay, there we go. So this is a single one. If we're only moving one, that's the whole thing. That's the dot. That's just it. It's a dot. Okay. Let's go over here. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. I do need to fix that, but we will fix that. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so let's mark these. Let's go to setup. How do I delete these? Delete, and we mark these. Okay, now we go to paint, terrains, pathing. Okay, and we want this to be a single thing. Hopefully that fixes this whole shenanigan going on up here. What is the matter with you? What is happening? Oh, I know what is happening. I moved it down and I said it all wrong. Boo, I suck. That's okay. We'll just use the flood fill tool and hopefully that fixes the issue. Wait, where am I? Oh, it's here. Flood fill and flood fill. There we go. It's fixed. It's fixed, everybody. It's fine. This is fine. There. That's what we wanted. It looks good now again. I have to be really careful when I set up the tile set. Eventually, because eventually I want to make my own tile set for this and not use this one. But yeah, I really need to work on this. But this is fine. This is fine. I can just get this out of the way. Okay. So let's work on this. The ye old blue and red markers to signify like our attack ranges and movement ranges. Let's go. So first of all, we need to go here and we're just gonna set up these. No, we actually don't need that. So let's just make movement attack ranges. I think this is layer 2, I believe that's layer 2. Yes, it is layer 2. Okay. There's decoration, movement ranges, attack options, and movement. Okay, good. Yeah. So movement and attack ranges layer is 2. So let's get with that. Let's yeah, we're just going to do, yeah. Instead, let's make a copy of this as well. So clear movement attack ranges layer. Attack movement attack ranges layer. Yes. And we need another one, which is not that. Set attack options. No. It's gonna be something like that, but it's not gonna be that. So it's gonna be a set movement attack. Ooh, attack. Oh my god. Set movement attack ranges. So I think we need to distinguish these. I mean, I guess not, because we can just feed it like the map. The map already knows which cells are the ones that the person can walk on and the ones that the person can attack on. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna feed it here. is it gonna be the whole map? I guess I can just fit the whole map and be done with it. Yeah. So instead of being a list vector 3, let's just make it a combat map. Combat area. And just mark it, you know? Yeah. Yeah, we'll just do something like this. You know? Just copy this. And we want to keep that one actually. Close a few more. No, actually cut this out, put this over here. Get that out of here. So this is gonna be just combat area. We don't need to know all that huge name here. So combat area size. Okay, and now what we're going to do is, yeah, so we're going to need 2 things here. What is it? Movement, range, atlas, chords. Oh, this is a vector 2i, yes. Vector 2i. What is it for the movement? What is this? 6017. So 6017. Oh yeah, these can be consts for some reason. Okay, that's fine. And then we also have the attack range. Atlas chords, which is going to be like 61? 17? Yes, 6117. There we go. Okay, so we can just, let me see, combat area. Okay, IJ. Can I just access these directly? Oh, I can. Cool. Cool. Properties. Is. What is it? Combat cell. Properties. Properties. If it's attackable. No, wait a minute. We want movable to be, yeah, we want, is it movable? Walkable. Walkable. We want walkable to go first. And if not that, we can actually, that's fine. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. We can just do this. And if not, if it's not walkable, if it's attackable, we'll get to that in a bit. So if it's attackable, we set. Otherwise, we don't do anything with it. So we just cut this, paste here. This would be I minus J. What was it? Movement range atlas chords. I believe atlas chords is there, isn't it? Source atlas. Okay, good. So we just copy this over here and set this to attack range. Attack range atlas chords. We don't need that. And hopefully that's it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this should do. We just need to set these up now. So when we go into a player combat choice, when we enter, it can be exactly when we enter. We can just clear the attack options layer over here. There we go. So what we're going to do after that is set movement attack ranges, and we're gonna feed it the map. Oops. Right? That makes sense. And when we do, at the end, when we exit, we clear the movement attack ranges layer because we're not using that character anymore, so we can just do that. And also, we can actually do this as well in the AI, so players can see where the enemies can go before they act, just so they get a little heads up on the possible choices that the AI has. So we can put this here. Okay. Let's see if all of this works. It might just not work, but we'll fix it if it's bad. Oh yeah, I didn't turn this off. Yeah, I wish there was a way to turn this off in game, but have it visible in the editor. That'd be way better. Okay, so it's not working, and it's... Did I set it wrong? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I made a mistake. I think I made a mistake again. Oh no, this is correct. Oh, hold on. Because I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting this. No. Hold on. Area. Here we go. When I access by the... Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is the... Okay. Never mind. Because I have a different way to set this up internally, and I keep forgetting that I don't have to do that on the outside. Okay. What is that? It's still bad. Okay. How is Godot C# VS Code integration these days? Last time I tried it out, Godot was new. It wasn't so great. I mean, I've only started using this like, I'm gonna say like 2-3-ish months ago now. I mean, so far it's been pretty solid. The only thing I miss is being able to debug directly inside of Godot. So like running the project here and debug directly in Visual Studio Code. You can, I don't think there's a way to do that yet, or at least none that I know of. So when I have to debug, I have to run directly through, I had to set up like a debug setup just to run the game here, run Godot through here. But other than that, it's been pretty good. Like, I don't have any major complaints. I just wish, yeah, it was a little better integrated. But other than that, like, it's been pretty good. Should do. At least to me, I come from Unity and Visual Studio, and that combo was pretty tight. So yeah, I mean, I do miss a few things, of course, but I don't think it's that bad. It's just a few missing things, but I can live without those. What is your problem? Open that up. I know. Calm down. Okay. Oh, yeah, I didn't change it here. Boo. Okay. But yeah, I think it's changed a little bit. I hope it gets better as time goes by. Hey! Oh, okay. Crap. Okay, why is it doing that? No. Hold on. That is wrong. Did I save it? Didn't I? Wait a minute. Set. Oh. Before I set them, I need to clear the layer. Otherwise, this is gonna overlap. Oops. But I do clear it when I exit, so that technically shouldn't happen. Why is that happening? I don't know. Okay, so yay! Look at that! I can see where I can go. Oh. Crap. That wasn't supposed to disappear. Dang it. No. Don't disappear when I click on things. Do not Wait, am I calling this anywhere else? No. Why is it doing that then? What? I'm so confused now. Hold on. I'm clearing the attack options and the pathing layer. But that shouldn't disappear. Unless I set the values wrong. Did I? No. Why is it doing that? That is weird. Let's test it again. That is really weird. Okay. So when I click, it actually... It resets. Why? Interesting. And it's still doing that. Which is weird. It's overlapping all of the things. Oh, but now it isn't? What? Did I forget to save again? I mean, I technically shouldn't have to do this. What on earth? Why is it doing that? Shouldn't be doing that. I mean, instead of doing that, I can just call the clear here. Okay, so that's a little easier. But why is it doing that? That is weird. You set and you clear. Set when you enter. Clear when you exit. Well, technically... So she can't attack anyone. This is a little better now. See, she can't actually attack anyone. So that's a little easier on the eyes. I can know exactly where to click. I just don't want it to do that. Why is it resetting that layer? Am I doing it wrong? Like when I click there, what am I doing? Clear attack options, clear pathing. But I'm not, like, these are all different layers. It shouldn't be doing anything to that layer. That is so weird. Why is it doing that? Because, okay, let me check something. Even here, yeah, clear pathing layer, set up the stuff, but none of this should call. Okay, hold on. Let me, I'm gonna have to debug this. Because, like, what is it doing? It shouldn't do anything like that. Okay. This. And also, where is it? Set movement and attack ranges. Yes. Let's debug this. I don't know why it is doing that. But we're gonna find out. Okay, so that's correct. Yes, so I just entered combat. It's gonna show me the movement of the person. It's gonna clear. But the clear isn't doing anything. Wait a minute. What? It's actually calling it, but nothing is getting cleared. Okay. I'm very confused. Okay, let's click somewhere. Yeah, none of these are getting called, and yet the layer is getting reset anyway. I wonder why that is. Why is that? Let's skip turn. It's gonna remove it, but that's how it should do anyway. This is okay. Then when it exits the state, it's not clearly clearing the layer. Thank you so much for stopping by, Miguel. Thank you. Will do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. So this is fine because it's a new character. Yes, but it's not. Okay, something is definitely up with this. You can't see it right now, but like it's overlapping everything. Where is it? There it is. It was overlapping back there. It isn't now for some reason. Even though I do the exact same thing on one and the other. Click. It's not even calling that. Why is it resetting that layer? Am I doing something wrong? I don't think I am, or at least I shouldn't be. Okay. The time has come, everybody. Let me check Godot issues. This is closed, so that's not it. Doesn't seem to be anything there. So what am I doing wrong? That's what I gotta figure out, because like yeah. I am calling the correct thing, right? Like, I'm getting paranoid now. Combat area instance. Correct. Combat area instance. Correct. Set movement attack ranges. Yes. Actually, this is not going to be here. This is going to be on combat. Where is it? Combat. When we end the turn, that's when we stop that. Yeah. Let's just put it over here. Cause, but we're gonna do that in here anyway. For now, at least. Yeah, tile mapping is acting weird. Like I'm setting a different layer on the tile map, and it's resetting one. Like I'm setting. Wait a minute! It's working. What? It worked back there. So when I'm setting the pathing over here, when I click something, the other layer disappears. I don't know what is up with that. Because I'm not even touching that specific layer on anything I'm doing over here. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out is why that's happening. What? I am so confused. You guys have no idea how confused I am. Ah, you can't attack from here because there's a guy in there. See, this is why it's cool to have these sorts of things. Yeah, I want to keep that layer visible at all times, and it's just not for some reason. I am so confused. Like, I really am confused. Have you played with the Z index on the layers? Do they have a Z index? Let me check. Cause no. I just put them in order and set them up just like that. Let me check. How would I... Ah, here it is. Z index. I think the default is 0. Yeah, they're all 0. But that's the thing, like, even if, like, they were posing themselves on top of each other, like, the layer that is disappearing is semi-transparent, so even if it got layered wrong, there should still be something visible, unless it's going under the ground. That would be pretty bad. But yeah, if it went under the ground, like, that would be bad. But if it's visible before... Like, I'm not changing the layer at all, am I? Like... Quartz, yes. Source ID is 0. Layer is the attack. Teehee. No one saw that. No one saw that. It's fine. This is fine. Oh God. How didn't I see that? I was set, like, I copied this from another place and the layer I was setting it to was wrong. Oh man, copy paste sure gets me sometimes. Oh, that was the AI, okay. Ah, okay, it's beautiful now. Look at it. I know exactly where I can move. I can't move here because there's a guy there. I don't think it's even marked as... Oh, it is marked as walkable. But yeah, you can't end the turn there. But yeah, I can now check wherever I can, move wherever I want, and I can attack this guy because he has a red underneath. See? It's cool because I can do this and then I can check which cell I go to attack the guy. This still needs a little bit more UI. But yeah, I can choose where to attack him from or not. I can just go back and move wherever I want. Is it that small? Yeah, it probably is a little small. Yeah, I need to update the resolution on this. But yeah, eventually, like when I get the new tile set going, I'll I'll update the resolution on this. But yeah, I can choose where I go. I can choose the attack. There is only one thing left for this to be truly perfect, which is when I move somewhere, I want the starting tile to not be an arrow. I want it to be the round thing that we did, like this thing. Where is it? I want it to be one of these 4. So I have to change that manually. I'm gonna have to change those manually. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're going to do that. So on the pathing, when we give it a path, this isn't even being used. What is this? Why is this even here? Never mind. Okay, so here, we're gonna set this, but also, oops, set cell. Oh, actually, before we do that, we need to figure out which of these 4 is the one we want. So bottom, left, top, right. Okay. We need to know which one it is. I am going. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just pathing start. Which one is first? Down. And this, no, I have to check on Godot. Where is it? Here. 60, 16. Okay. Down, and we need 3 more. So down, up, left, and right. So left is 61, up is 62, and right is 63. I think that's it. I think that's the thing. Okay, good. So now what we need to do in our pathing layer, which is down here, we need to set the cell, just like we do up here. So let's do pathing layer. Oh, damn. Okay. At the first cell, so like this. Oh, and this is only if the path is greater than 1. Because if it is just 1 cell, it should work correctly. It should be just this thing. It's just 1 cell, so this should work. Okay. So source ID is 0, yes, and Atlas quartz. So now that's the thing. We need the Atlas quartz to match what we. So we need to check. There. Now we need to check. Yeah. There's probably a better way to do this, but okay. Oh, actually, this is vector 3i. Yeah. There we go. So now if dot y is greater than 0, don't forget we're using different coordinates here. So atlas coordinate is going to be, so if the y is 0, we want to use the down one. Oops. Like that. And we're just gonna, so if it's less than 0, we want to use the up 1. And we're going to do the same for x. So x and x. So if x is greater than 0, we're going to use right. I think that's it. I might be looking at this wrong. And this atlas chord is going to go here, and that's it. Oh, all right. I don't think it does that error if I do this, because there's an else. Yes, okay, good. Okay, so if y is greater than 0, that means path 1 is greater than path 0, but we're working on a y, a negative y, so down, up. If x is greater than 0, then that means path 1 is to the right of path 0, so right, left. Okay, I think that's it. Let's test. Hopefully it's good. Okay, didn't do that. Anything in there? Okay, so y is reversed. X is okay though. Up, down. It chose that one. Interesting. But I can go to all of the places. Yeah, we're actually gonna do that now that I think about it. We're gonna clear all the layers, the movement and stuff, because like when I'm moving here, I think I'm resetting. Yeah, we're clearing the pathing layer here. And we shouldn't do that. I don't think. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. So instead of clearing the pathing layer, as soon as we move, because when we're attacking, we can also see the movement, and we want to do that. So we're putting this on end turn. So pathing and movement. We also want to clear the attack options here. Yes. This should go first because this is the first layer. Then attack options, then pathing. Let's do this by order. Yeah. There we go. Okay. We are going into combat. That's correct. That is also correct. I mean, it's not correct in the sense of when they're attacking. Probably because when I'm attacking, it's clearing the thing. I'll have to check. But yeah, we can. What did we check? Up and down? Let's go. No, up and left, I think. Let's go. Right. Yes, that's correct. Left is also correct. I can't go down. That sucks. Oh, down is okay. So I don't think we need to test anything else, do we? It's disappearing too quickly. And it really shouldn't. But it's only when they're attacking, it seems. Like, as soon as they're attacking, everything is getting reset. And we don't want that. Yeah, we don't want this to happen. We definitely want the things to stay. Until they finish all of their things. Yeah, the pathing layer is getting, as soon as the attack is going off, the pathing layer is getting destroyed, and we don't want that. Where is it? Attack. Yeah, we're cleaning the pathing layer here. No, we don't want the pathing layer to disappear. We just want it to disappear when it turns. So it's clearer what's going on. Good, okay, that's what I wanted. Let's go up here. Attack. Can't attack that guy, but I can attack this one from up here. That's the thing, like, I need to start selecting. Maybe I'll keep the updated grid positions here. Not even the positions, but these markers of what's walkable and attackable, because enemies might want to make use of that information for like how many enemies are, you know, in my range or stuff like that, so they can make better choices in harder difficulties. I'll have to think about that. They're getting their ranges layer dissolved in the AI. Let's see, AI. I don't want, yeah, don't do this. Thornity! Hi! Thank you so much for the raid! Hello everyone! Hello! Welcome! Thank you so much for the follows, everyone. Hello and welcome to my humble stream. Let me show you the game since we're here. How did your stream go, by the way, Thornity? Hopefully it went well. Yeah, I'll just show you the game then. I think there's a lot of first timers here. Yes, so let's show the game. Oh, cool. How's it going? Yeah, because like oh my god, names are escaping me. Oh god, but there are more people here doing it's gaming forever. That's it. Gaming forever is doing all that, is also doing the pirate software game jam. How is it going? Do you guys have an idea of what you're going to do? You don't have to spell it out, right? Like just a good idea. That's a good way to go about it. You'll get there. It's fine. Health, movement, and collisions working. Perfect. Perfect. That's a good start. Oh, okay. I mean, 5 minutes to do all that seems perfectly legit. I'm glad you're all participating. Good luck to everyone. Yes, get those games going. Get those jams jamming. Hi Marcus, thank you for the follow. All right, so I don't know if y'all want to check out the game thingy since y'all working, but I'll just give a brief overview of what it is anyway. This is the game. So like you have a small world, eventually it'll be a bit bigger. You are responsible for a settlement, which is this thing underneath the character right here. So you can see it right below this. This is your settlement. The idea is to trade with other cities, which are these, for resources and money, so you can upgrade your city and defend it from raids. And you have your own heroes on here. Pat, the ferret Pat. Yeah, and you have your own heroes over here that you do stuff with. You also camp and get resources from camping as well during that downtime. And you trade the resources, you go back to your base, you upgrade your base. Right now there's not a lot in terms of base working. Like you can visit it, but it's like, what do you call it? It's empty. It's like not very, it's not very dynamic, let's say. Yes, it is. That was what I was going to show next. So when you get into combat, it's going to be often because your base is going to get raided all the time. And you can also get attacked by wild things out in the wilds and stuff like that. And yes, the combat is turn-based, which is what we're working on today. I'm working on pathfinding. Not exactly pathfinding, but making these indicators of where you can go and who you can attack. That's what we were doing today. We just finished a few of these things, like setting the the arrows to move places and Thank you. I'm glad you all like it. The pixel art technically isn't mine, at least not for most of it. This is like Kenny Tiny, I think it's Tiny thing. I have made some adjustments to it. I've made it a different color palette. So technically it's not just solely Kenny's anymore. I added some spice to it, and I had to make a few other things that Kenny doesn't have on his packages. But yeah, this is mostly Kenny Tiny over on this. Eventually I'll make my own tile set and my own sprites and animations and stuff like that, but for now, yeah, this is what we have. And yeah, we've been working on this today, like getting to go places and attacking people. The attack animations are still not there. Don't worry too much about it. But yeah, you can now select from where your character can attack, like this, and then you go and attack the guy. Eventually, there will be animations for all of this. That's the idea, anyway. Yeah, that's what we're working on today. Yes. The game jam is just the weekend, correct? I don't remember the timeline anymore, but I believe it's just the weekend. It's 2 weeks? Oh, okay, I had it completely wrong then. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, go right ahead. Oh yeah, when I only made a game jam for 2 weeks once, but I really liked the results of it. It was really cool. Like nowadays it's not up to par. Like back then I was really proud of it. Nowadays I look back at it and it's like, I shouldn't have done some of these things, but yeah, that is definitely important. Yes, especially if you want to get on the top positions. Polishing is usually something that helps bring the game forward. I agree. So yeah, make the game completely scuffed, doesn't matter. So long as it looks good and is polished, that's the way to go. I agree. It's still resetting the pathing layer. Why is it doing that? It's not supposed to. Oh, didn't I say? I didn't save. As usual, I didn't save. As per usual. Boo. Okay, good, good. We're good. We're in business. Okay, so now, oh, we can't attack that because it's an ally, but I can attack this guy because this guy is an evil dude. Let's attack from here. Let's kill the guy from here. There you go. New target. I can't attack that guy. Let's go over here then. Uh-oh. Methinks I'm dead. But we'll see. Hopefully not. Hopefully we can make it. Actually. Yeah, we'll just do this. I might just be dead. They might just kill me here. Oof. Yeah, I might just be dead. I'm not dead because he's not in range, but yeah, I'm totally dead. Man, my AI is brutal. I created a monster. What is this? Okay, we're good. Fine. We are good to go. Okay. There's just a few things. Let me see if I can, because like, I did notice a few things that I wanted to change. There is a lot of stuff here that I want to change eventually, like to make this a whole thing more readable on it. But yeah. Because like the biggest problem is this doesn't have animations, so not having animations kind of kills a lot of the vibe somewhat. Because like to know which character is selected, you get like a guide that is blue, so you know. I got all melee, and they have a bunch of ranged characters. What is this? Please no bully. Let's get the ranged characters first. Actually, now that I think about it, yeah. There's still a lot of other things to do, like I want to have characters that have certain movement points and other certain characters that have different ranges. And all of that combined will like make it this a little bit more dynamic. Like characters with horses, for example, those should be able to go farther than other classes and stuff like that. I see water, I must fish. Yes. Eventually, maybe. I'll have to think about the whole conditions of the city. So like if a city is near water, you can actually have a fishing thing, or if you're camping near water, fishing becomes an activity. That could be a perfectly fine thing to do. Yes. I'll have to set that in. Can't forget fishing. Fishing is a staple. Let me just see if this is still working, because I haven't done this in a while. I did notice before I started the stream, I was checking all the systems, see if everything was good. And some of the stuff broke while I wasn't touching it. Like I don't know why it broke, because I didn't touch anything related with it. It just broke, and I have to fix that. Yeah, it's a whole thing, but what are you gonna do? We got navlines, yes! I don't know how long you haven't been checking. I can show you how it is right now. This is combat right now. This is the thing. So like, now you can click. So you can check where you can go. So it tells you, like the blue spots is the places you can go to. And you can move there. And the red spots are the ones where you can attack from. So everything under this is walkable and attackable, supposedly. And the red ones are just the ones you can attack at that position, but you can't move there. Yeah. So we set that up and we got that working. And the AI still kicks my ass because what are you gonna do? To be fair, I did get some people killed, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get completely wrecked. I do have, like, this is an idea I have further down the line, or maybe not, like, I'll have to check, but having just combat on the corner of the screen with like Twitch viewers or something like that, that'd be funny. Like just that small little itsy bitsy thing on the corner of the screen, just for, you know, random people from the stream like attacking each other and stuff like that. You could like pick a side and then people will just collide with each other and just kill each other in brutal combat. I'll have to think about that. I'd have to check the Twitch API to see how feasible that is. I did see, what was the name? I think it's Adam Makes Things or Adam Learns or something like that. I did see him doing something like that, so I'll have to check out his own stream on that. I may be able to learn from that. Okay. Let's recruit a bunch of people. Oh god, the map's gonna be absolutely pasted with people. Here's the thing, like I shouldn't... Yeah, if the character is knocked down, it shouldn't spawn on the map, I don't think. It should be outside of the... Yeah, we should fix that. Oh, we got a lot of people now, so we can just wreck these people. That's always fun. Can you imagine how chaotic this is? This is like super chaotic. It's great. I love it. I don't even know. Like, I need to Maybe that's the thing that I'm gonna start working on next. Like actual health bars for people. Like so you can check, wait a minute, but is this guy injured or not? Like that would be good information to have. But yeah, we need to stop knocked down people at the beginning of combat to be instanced. Just so they don't clutter up the map. We also need to do that, actually. I'll have to check how to do that. Because I want the knocked down people to go below everything. Right now they're not. They're just on top of everything just due to the nature of what they are. They're characters and like they're always drawn on top. But I want that to change. So that's probably what I'm going to do next. That and not, you know, triggering when you start a map, like if there's already knocked down people, it just doesn't show up. Wait, who is still not... Oh, there's a guy there. There's only 2 guys from the enemy team. Because I have so many people, I can just kill them with extreme prejudice. It's this guy. Which is, you know, dead now. And then there's that guy up there. Let's scurry on over next to him. Oh, I can attack him by 1 cell. God, there's so many people in this map. I love it. It's great. Here we go. He's still not dead because he has 2 health. No worries. Oh, no, that's perfectly fine. Welcome back, welcome back. Can only attack from here. That the computer like completely crashed and burned because of a tab. Might be. Yeah. Browsers nowadays, they just love to hog memory for everything. Like, give me all your memory. 32 gigabytes and it was eating all of that? God damn. Yeah, browsers are ridiculous nowadays. They just hog just everything. All right, let's make a few corrections then. Okay, first of all, on combat, when we spawn our own people, we don't want people that are knocked down. That was the first one. Where is it? Here we go. So we are going to instantiate the character. Oh, I do already check if it's... Okay, so I just have to put this over here. Yeah, there we go. If it's not knocked down, instantiate and then add it to the turn order. Okay, and you sort the turns. Okay, cool. That's good. That is good. Okay. So now we can retreat whenever we want, so we'll just let one of them die and see what happens. Kill me. Okay, here we go. Oh no, because this guy, was this the guy who got attacked? Yes, okay, so we're down one character. I don't know which that was, but I should only have 3, and I do. I only have 3 characters now. Good. Okay, so they're not spawning if they're knocked down. Good. And now we're gonna fix the layering issue. So when they're knocked down, what? What was that? YouTube hogs so much. Yeah. That it does. What the heck happened there? Was it because I retreated during something and it just completely crashed? I think it's YouTube in conjunction with like browsers. They just like hog all of the resources, all of the things. They just hog everything. It's terrible. Is it because I retreated during an attack? Was that? Should attack this? Yes. Okay. We're down 1 person. So. Why did it do that? It's probably because I'm retreating from combat, like, at a point where it probably shouldn't. And, you know, that is a bit of a problem. But that's fine. That's certainly a thing we can try to check and fix later. Because most of these problems won't happen. Like, we won't be able to retreat whenever we want anyway, so. Okay, now I just need to figure out if the layering of the sprite 2D, if the layering on those is the same as the layering of the tile maps. I have to figure that one out. Let me just make a quick search here. Let's see if that's the case. So apparently, from what I can read here, this is just between tile maps, not between tile maps and sprite 2Ds, I don't think. I mean, I can make the test here now that I think about it. I'm being silly. Let me just, what was it? I can just create a sprite 2D here. Up here. There we go. Let's give it like an evil wizard, because evil wizards are cool. Okay, where are you? You're down there. Okay. I want you to be up here. You are on the correct square. All right. I think you are in the correct square. Yes. Okay. Now, let's see what the layering can do to this. I want knockdown characters to be in a layer lower than all of this. So technically, player characters should be on top of all layers, but characters that are knocked down shouldn't be. Where is the layering on this? This doesn't have layering, does it? Doesn't look ordering? Oh, Z index. Okay. Z is what is this? Is relative to its parents. That's fine, because like it's all the same thing. What about this? This Z index, what is it? Doesn't have a description. Okay, let's see. So this is going to be 0, 0 for this, 1 for this. Wait, what did I do? What happened? Wait, is no. Okay. Okay. So this should be 3, 4, 5, and our characters should be on Z6. So if I tell the character to be on Z index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is global. So I can do this. Good. Okay, so this fixes our problem. We just need to order the Z index. And I need to set the index for all of these to be correct. Okay, let's do that. Where is the code for that? Create tile map. Here it is. So we need to add layers. Okay. Can I just... Okay, hold on. I'll just leave it like that. That's fine. Let's just check something. Let me just check the docs here real quick. So when I do tile map, add layer. Can I not add it by name? Like, can I not say it has a name and a layer immediately? Do I have to like... I see. Okay. So you set the layer based on the int, and then you said if it's enabled or sorted or the Z index of that layer. Okay. But when you add a layer, can you add a layer with everything on it? Like with all that information just immediately set? No, apparently not. It just has to be... So, like, hold on. Because this doesn't even return the layer. So how do I... Okay. All right, then I need to... Wait a minute. Can I... adds a layer at the given position in the array. So like, if I do this, does this still work? Because I know -1 is the option to add to the end of it. But like, can I do that? Can I just... Okay, seems like yes. Okay. Because I'd want to set the names of these things just in code, just so it's a little bit more understandable what is going on here. Okay, let's do that then. We'll just... And we can actually set these to be our numbers, I guess. Let's go with decorations layer. This is gonna be 1. And then base layer, which is gonna be 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got the 5 ones here. Good. So yeah. When we create the tile map over here, we're gonna add a layer, decorations layer. Movement, attack, ranges, layer. So I wouldn't even need this, I don't think. Attack, options, attack, options layer. There we go. And path layer, path layer, pathing layer. Sure. Okay. So we need to fill up this information. There's some stuff we need to add to this now. That's okay. That's okay, Nova. You focus on your thing. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But yeah, it is a little annoying when stuff fights back. Absolutely. Set layer. We don't need to give it a name. I think that's just, you know, the code itself should be fairly explanatory. But we do need to set a sort layer C index. There we go. So this is 0. Yeah, okay. Base layer. Base layer is 0. I'm gonna copy this over. I'm gonna set all this. So, decorations layer is gonna be 1. The movement and attacks is going to be 3. Because remember, second one is for knocked down characters. Yeah. 4. pathing layer is 5. And 6 is for normal characters that haven't been knocked down. Let's give it a try. Oh, first we need to change the characters themselves. So here in the character controller, let's just go down here. Yeah, here we go. So, where is that? I like to put that. Oh, the remote. This is still working. No need for that. Okay, so this is down here after visibility. Okay, we'll just set it as ordering Z index. So position is down here. So after that, we can just sprite.z index is going to be, if the character is knocked down, it's going to be 2. Otherwise, it's 6. And hopefully that fixes the whole thing. Yeah, eventually I'll delete these, but for now they can stay. Actually, I'm going to create just a thing for this, and then I'll delete the node, and that's fine. Combat experiment. I'm going to put that right there. I mean, I'm making this way too pretty for something that's going to just get deleted later, but there we go. So now we can set these to visible. Oh, I can't set a node to be invisible. Okay, then let's change this to this is a thing that is really good on Godot. I can change the node type as I want. This is Godot. Yes, this is Godot Nova. The code doesn't look like Godot. I mean, most of the code that I make on my own. So I try to be as detached from Godot as much as possible. But yes, this is Godot. That's why it probably doesn't look a lot like Godot code. Like, for example, this that I'm doing right now, this sprite name, sprite texture, this is Godot. Like, this is the sprite 2D from Godot. But some of the stuff that I'm doing here is custom stuff that I'm doing on the side. This is C#. So this is Godot with C#. Yes. It's with the .NET attachment to it. This is C#. Yes. Because initially this project was a Unity project, and I wrote that mostly in C#. So a few months ago, like 2-3-ish months ago, I moved over from Unity to Godot, and I ported most of that code over. Yes, there is a C# thing. It's really small. You probably can't see it all that well, but yes, this is C#. Is it too hard to read the code? Let me know, because I can, make this larger later. Because if it's not readable, I can definitely increase the resolution on that or something. I want to change this. What was it? I want to change the type. There we go. Change type. Node 2D. So I can do this. Perfect. It's invisible. Okay. So hopefully now, when characters get knocked down, they go below the pathing layer. So let's see if that's true. And if that is true, then we made it. Let's kill a dude. That's another thing I gotta do. I have to make this easier for the player. So you can move somewhere and then attack a person, and it should allow the pathing to stay where it is. If the player is in a pathing that is viable. I have to work on that. Let's try and kill this guy then. Okay, we are killing this guy. Knocking him down. So now it's below the pathing and everything, which is good. And now if I click on somewhere, yes, okay, good. So this is working exactly as intended, so that's nice. And if I go here and attack from here, I should stay on top of that character. It's not down, it's there, it's underneath, but like eventually it's like a mountain of corpses. And now if I go through here, yeah, it's below the character. So that's good. That's exactly what we wanted. Yes, perfect. Yeah, it goes below everything. Am I going to die? I might just die here. Oh no, I killed him. Yay. Go me. Okay, good. All right, we're good, we're good. We are good. Okay, so that's another problem taken care of. That is another problem taken care of. Oh, Jane Panda! I didn't see your follow. I'm so sorry. I need to this weekend. I need to set up sound alarms for the for the follow thingy. Thank you for the follow, and thank you for the follow as well, Nova. That's okay. That's perfectly fine. You do whatever you need to do. Don't worry about it. You do what you must, as do we all. Wait, there was still a debug going? No, I've only realized that now. Oh god. How long was that there? Good thing I don't have a major problem with memory, otherwise this would have been bad. Okay. Maybe I should just do that now. Like if I click somewhere and then attack a person. Let me test that. So I want to go here and I want to attack, and it changes my pathing. It shouldn't do that. If my pathing's end is a valid position to attack from, it should keep that position. Yeah, we're probably gonna work on that now. Cause like I'm clicking here. No, wait. I'm clicking here to attack. What is that? Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what that is. Hold up. That wasn't supposed to show up there. And I think I know what it happened. I think I know what happened. Because I'm clicking. Yes. Okay. So when I click somewhere to move, which is here, yeah, I need to reset all attack options. Yes, okay, so let's do that. There we go. So when I click to go somewhere, attack options should disappear. So that should no longer trigger that. Only thing left to do now is, if my pathing, so when I'm setting a new attack position, I'm not checking for this. Yeah, I don't want this. I want, if the pathing ends on a cell that is a good neighbor, or even is a neighbor, then I want to set that up there. So let's do that. So if get neighbors of target that are reachable, that's important. And I think it's pretty much this, only a little different, but we'll check that out in a bit. So what does this take? A character controller, yes. A start, a target, a range, and reachable neighbors. So we don't need to call this best neighbors, actually, because this is only used in this specific instance. So let's just call it neighbors collection. Yeah, neighbors collection. There we go. So that way we can use this in several places. So let me just check. This clears the best neighbors. Yes. Okay, good. Cool. Okay, so we do that. If we get that, but also, and that's what we need to figure out. And neighbors collection. Oh yeah, we need to check if path count is greater than 0. So that means we have a path set. And our neighbors collection contains the last position of our path. Oops. The last position of our path. Then that means that our path will not deviate. So it's still that. But we are setting attack position on that location. Oops. There we go. Hopefully this fixes that. If not, if the path isn't there, then we pick one at random. Let's wrap this, because otherwise this is gonna be a nightmare. Okay. If we get neighbors that are reachable, and our path is already set, so from this, and our neighbors collection contains that position, the last position of our path, so where we are right now, we're gonna set that as our attacking position. Let's see if that works. Hopefully it does. If not, we'll just fix it. It's fine. Okay, I don't have anyone to attack from here yet, so let's just move. She's dead. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna move over here and I wanna attack this guy. It didn't reset. But now, if I click this, then it moves to that position. If I move here, no, wait, I have to move somewhere, then move here, attack, it keeps that pathing. Perfect, so this is what we want. And now we click and she attacks from there. Okay, good. It's the little things. I'm gonna have to do this a lot. Oh, I could have attacked that guy and I didn't. Oh well. I'm just testing anyway, so that's fine. Yeah, I can attack this guy, but I can only do so from one position. So it probably, yeah, it's probably not gonna do much. Here we have a perfect opportunity to test this out. And it's on top of another character. So I want to go here. No, wait, I'm already attacking him. I want to go here. Attack. Good. Here. Attack. Just making sure that I can do it wherever I want. And I click, and she goes to that place and attacks. Good. Okay, so that's exactly what we wanted. Very good. Perfect. So here, the default is this one. What if I want to attack from here? It accepts. If I go here, it accepts. There we go. Yes. Good. This is exactly what we wanted. So we're good. We're good. That's another small-ish feature fixed. I need to get this out of here. I need to comment or either delete, but I'm going to comment for now. Hi, welcome. I am not a zombie. No. Why is that? Sil? Is that how you say that? But no zombies here. At least not yet. Is it actually letting me go here? Oh god. You don't? How can I convince you then? I did see something that I'm not sure should happen. Let me check that again. Because, like, she was going on top of a person. That... I see. Well, I do like art, but I was never an art teacher, so... I think it's just a coincidence. Oh, this is bad. Okay. I can actually... What happens if I click here? He does nothing. Okay. But I shouldn't be able to do that from the start. Yeah, that's bad. I can't do that. I can't let them do that. Hold up. I believe... No, wait, but this shouldn't be it. It's here. I'm just moving. I'm not attacking anyone. I'm just moving there. Wait up. Okay, yeah, I wasn't keeping track of this. It has to be walkable. And there can be people in it. I forgot about that. There are so many cases. There are so many edge cases to this. God. Is not. And now I need... I'll just copy this from somewhere. There we go. Occupied by ally. So it can't be occupied by allies or enemies. Is not any. Don't forget, it is not any. Oh god, I had this mistake yesterday. Do not do that. Okay. We're good. We're good. So, if it's walkable, And it's not occupied by anyone. Very important distinction. Okay, good. Okay. But I can pass through that person. I have to test that. Like, let's go over here. Oh, who is character? Which is this? Character 3? Oh, it's the last guy. Hold on. Character 2. Character 1. Okay, let's go up here. Let's make that test. So I should be able to pass by them, just not click on the cell that they're at. Like this. But not this. This. Okay, good, good. It resets when I click on someone. Even enemies? I have to check that. Let's move. Okay, when I click an enemy, it sets it to attack. Good. Okay, that's what we wanted. Yeah, because I did forget about that. Yeah, when I click an enemy, I shouldn't need to test it, because when I click an enemy, it sets it automatically to attack that enemy. So yeah, I don't need to check for that. Okay. We are good. Okay, okay, we're good. We're good. We're doing things. Things are happening. And it's okay. I have to make like a yeah, I'll probably have to do like a combat forecast somewhere over here. Yeah, that's gonna be one of the things that I add. Like, I have an endless list of to-do things. And combat forecast is definitely on the top. And this like turn modifier, like this turn order. Yeah, turn order. I need to change it. Cause like I want this to be able, so like when you hover a character over here, it highlights which character it is. So you can know exactly who's moving next by hovering these characters. Yeah, that's the thing that I need to work on next. Next as in the foreseeable future. I don't know if it's the next thing that I'm gonna work on, but yeah, I do need to work on that. Yes, okay. Okay, we're good. Let's attack from this side. Attacks that one, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna comment these because they were there just for debug purposes, but now I think everything's working, so I don't need to. I can move over here. It always does that, yeah. Maybe I should do something like that. Like if I click somewhere and then click somewhere else, it needs to path through that specific location, but I don't think that's really needed. I don't think. I think that's just a little fluff from the thing. It's just a nice to have. I don't think it's desperately needed or anything. Yeah, I'll definitely have a confirmation button next to, like, when you click on a character to attack, there should appear a pop-up with the combat forecast, and then telling it what will happen if that action actually goes through. Okay, this should be good. Am I gonna die? Why do I always die? Because I'm testing and they're like bloodthirsty monsters out to get me. Out to get my blood. Oh, it goes again and he kills me. Okay, good. All right, cool. Yeah, let's comment this out. Because I think we're at the point where we don't need that anymore. Yes. Oh, it's me again. Oh, okay, I can actually do this. We will not be defeated. Not today. We only have one character left, but we did it. We did it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that is definitely not, that is definitely not good. I don't know if you guys realize what's happening here. Like, I'm setting this. Wait a minute. Wait. What? Oh, that's right. I need to set the party indicator's Z index to be like 6 too. So it goes on top of everything. Yeah, I need to fix that. Okay, so let's do those two things. Let's comment all the code from choosing stuff. Let's see, where do I have GD prints? It's dot, not colon. Okay. These are okay. Ah, here we go. Let's comment all these out. They were good while they lasted, but we don't need them here anymore. Because like they were already, I think they were already good, so I don't need to. What is this? Wait, why is this here again? Oh, this is the AI. Oh, yeah. Never mind. I was looking at this wrong. Never mind. Okay, I think we did all that. Yeah, we got rid of everything. Yes. Okay, good. Let's then. Oh yeah, we need to the party indicator. We have to set the Z index of the party indicator. Where is it? Ah, here we go. Z index is going to be 6. We need to set that up, otherwise the characters are always going to be underneath the houses. And that's bad. We don't want that. There we go. Okay, we're back. We're back in business. And let's see some combat just to see if nothing else shows up. Okay. Seems to be clean. Uh-oh. This is bad. I am getting wrecked. Away, foul creature. Away. Get away from me. Oh, it's me again. Ha. For once, the AI... The RNG favors me. Oh, hey. And we didn't get almost everyone killed, so that's a great plus. That's an awesome plus. Yeah. Cool. Got it. Pathing is still okay. We're still on top of pathing. Yes. Good. Perfect. We're good. We're good to go. Let's see. Sure. Sell a few things. Let's go back. I do need to change that a little bit. But yeah, eventually when I make that dynamic, then that shouldn't become a problem anymore. Oh god. Yeah. I shouldn't be allowed to do that, but right now that's what you get. I can recruit as much as I want. And there's nothing anyone can do about it. Wait a minute, what? Why is that not marked? What? Wait a minute. It's not even triggering that anyone is there. What the heck? Wait a minute. That's not how this is supposed to go at all. Wait up. It's not marked that there's anyone there. Wait a minute. Like, it has to be someone. Where's 8? There. 15 is the one I'm using right now. 11. 11 is over there. 17. 17 is there. 23 is that one. 13 is that one. 24 is that one. And then there's 3. I have seen 3. It's that one. What is that doing there? Oh my god. Okay, I know what that is. That's the party indicator. Oh my god. I thought I found like the biggest bug. Turns out it's just... okay. I was so scared for a moment. I thought I found like a huge bug. Yeah, that is the thing. Like if I go here, watch. Goodbye party indicator. She disappears. Oh my god. Okay. I almost had a heart attack with that. Good god. Can you imagine? I almost freaked out. Ah, that's pretty cool. Hi, Jin. That is pretty awesome. That is very nice. How did you tweak it? Did you actually go through the source code, or did you just manage to change it some other way? That's pretty awesome, nonetheless. I see, okay. Yeah. That's awesome. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, exactly. Cool, that's awesome. Glad to hear it. Glad you got that working. That is pretty neat. Oh god, there's so many people. I can't even attack. Oh, I can attack this guy. That is a good path to know, especially when you're getting a little bit sleepy-eyed. Absolutely. Oh, are you? I actually never drank Red Bull. I don't know how good or bad it is. But I have heard it's like filled with caffeine, so it's probably bad. But you know, whatever helps, whatever you need. We don't judge here. Oh man, I am still thinking about that small mistake. God damn. I almost freaked out, like, what the hell is happening? And then I remembered. Welcome back, Nova. Hi. Hope you had a nice dinner. I am going to get my dinner soon enough. In a few minutes. Not in a few minutes, but you know. Probably in a little bit. Just gonna finish this thing over here, and we're probably gonna call it off for today. All right, let me just check here. Wait, who is still alive? Oh, it's that guy. Goodbye, guy. I totally didn't see him. Like, they look almost the same. I have to fix that. I mean, I have to fix that when I get all the new sprites coming. So it might take a while for that. Alrighty. Okay, I think we've done good progress today. So I might just call it over here. Your game is a gun now. Cool. Well, yeah, you gotta work on that. Guns that don't shoot usually aren't very useful. But yeah, everybody, thank you so much for being here today. To everyone participating in the Pirate Software Game Jam, I wish you all the luck. I hope you manage to do all of the things, get all the polish, get that going. Good luck to you all. Have a great weekend as well. Thank you, Profits, and I hope you have a great weekend too. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I will probably be back on Tuesday, same as usual. And yeah, hopefully by then I have a more solid plan of the next weeks of what I need to do and what I need to get going. Because like there is still a lot to do. Like there's a lot that I've done, but there's a lot to do still to get this working in working order to actually get this on the hands of players. So there's still a lot there. But yeah, I guess that's it. Hopefully you have a great weekend. And I will see you on Tuesday. I am going to leave you with Where is he? Did he stop? Oh no, here it is. There you go. Gotcha. I am going to leave you with Apex Pixelated. He's also working on GameDev right now, and he's still going strong. He's going stronger than me, so that is something. I hope you have a great weekend, everyone. And let's just raid. Let's raid a person. Good luck to everybody out there on the Pirate Software Game Jam. I hope you do great. So yeah, let's raid people. Last time. Goodbye, everyone. Kick some ass. I will see you on Tuesday. Happy weekend, everyone.